Alight here for white sandy beaches, dotted by a wide selection of attractions and food and beverage outlets. Please mind the platform gap. Beach station.
Come back down to beach station, which is down at the beach at the bottom. Wings of Time. April has to have a giggle in the background.
Uh oh, dickhead's back.
Oh no! There's a bit of editing to be done. Nice. Will you stop that?
Scotty's a wanker.
No line up today, Michelle. Yeah, could be. Let's do the fun shop. I know it's fun because it says so. You get yourself a meal line, 50% off, because they've got rid of the meal line off the island. Ooh. Oh, look at that one. That's nice.
Doesn't Mum like them?
Well, she didn't like them, but I do. But I bet you that one's ready? Whoops. Ah, it's only 258. Yeah, that's alright. It's good. Good price.
Now that's a coffee cup.
That's a coffee cup. It says Sentosa on it. If you get rid of that, it might say Tosser on it for you, but anyway. Tosa coffee cup. Nice. Ooh. Nice hat for Shane. Ah, Mickey, very Sentosa-y. Oh, Mickey.
Okay.
Secret stash or something?
Lollies.
Lollies, yeah.
Definitely lollies. You wouldn't put anything else.
Lolly jar.
That's
Ice
just
in it,
no,
and then
that's
ice
just
bucket.
lollies.
Ice bucket, put your champagne bottle in.
A kilo of red frogs. Oh, Sentosa, Star Wars. I see the connection. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Oh. Monorail. Some cable cars. So it's 5:30, and we're just outside of the new Central Beach Bazaar. Looks like they're just about to open. It is hot, still hot at 5:30 in the afternoon. Sweating is probably the best way to put it, but it's good. Nice place, nice people. You're sweating?
Yeah, sweating.
Because you're
Sweating again?
hot.
Hot?
Scotty.
Where are we going?
Well, Shane was a tour guide this afternoon. Whoop, here comes April and Trace. Nice. All brand new, first night, going live. You can get yourself some chicken wings. Ooh. Ooh, chili con carne, I would say it is. It's nice. Very nice. Straight across the luge.
Full house. I don't fucking think
It's definitely not full. Full house tonight, can't go.
so. What's that? Yeah, I think you're back up there.
Oh, and they've stopped, Lockie. That's not good. They've stopped. Could be broken. If you didn't like the enclosed one, you're gonna laugh that one.
Well, you wear a helmet on it, God.
I know someone who wore a helmet on it once. And he didn't even go on the luge.
Good big tip is you get to sit on that thing and it's got down.
Oh yeah, you're gonna love that. In the middle too. In the middle.
At least if it tips when it is to go first.
It ain't tipping. We're tipping forwards.
One of the wires snaps. It's gone down like that.
Any chance we can turn the sun off?
Are you hot?
Fucking oath, mate.
But it's 5:30 at night, Shane. It can't be hot
Fucking
anymore.
shit, Scott.
Is it shit? It's not that hot.
Fucking shit, Scott.
You love it. It's better than Adelaide. Adelaide's raining today.
Where the fuck we live in Adelaide?
Oh, I don't know. I'm thinking of moving. I just need lots more subscribers. Yeah. See, you can be like these people and wear your safari gear and go for a walk in the jungle. Ooh, jet blade.
Or you could be a hot chick and put your bikini on.
I don't have a bikini.
It's a big bikini.
I don't reckon I'd look good in anything, so bikinis.
Beach club.
Banana. Banana.
I'm on hang tight.
You like riding the banana, Shane?
People don't like the way I eat my bananas.
It takes you a while to swallow it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot, isn't it? We can all get some perfume so we don't stink. Just up ahead.
Oh, breeze.
Ah,
There's a big boat. He's parked right there to block everyone's view.
wow. That is crazy. Well, come to the beach. I'll show you the beach anyway. Don't worry about the guy who's working hard on his laptop. He's finished with Pornhub, so he's just having a snooze now. Alright, team leader, let's go.
Off you go.
Live streaming. Michelle, that's next level. I don't have any subscribers. We could have stayed here, we didn't. It's a bit more au naturel, this place, compared to where we're staying, isn't it?
Yeah, I prefer where we are.
No, I'd say it's Siloso Beach Resort. Is that how you'd say it?
Yep.
Siloso Beach Resort.
Siloso, yeah, Siloso.
Siloso. What we doing?
We're eating here.
We're eating here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one then, isn't it?
Yeah?
We're free entertainment.
Dad,
Nice.
we're going up.
No, they're the two dudes that just got off, aren't they? Oh, shit balls.
Oh, that.
Ooh.
I won't do that.
Tracy said she's doing that. Just then I heard her. Did you hear her say that? No, I didn't say it. I've done it.
Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
It's like cricket noise, isn't it? Squealing.
That's what they are, isn't it? They're like,
I'm assuming. Definitely squealy.
Rasa improver.
So, can you see the big white building, Shane?
yeah, I can.
That's it.
I can see about 10 minutes away.
You're
That's a bit far.
lucky. You're the youngest one here.
No,
And
I
you're
am.
okay. You're the second, yeah, as I said, second youngest one here, and you're whinging.
I'm getting on that for the bus.
I thought you were going to have a complaint then and tell me how old you were. Does the person in front of us not look like she's like, you know how you go to the circus and you see the people with really long legs and they're super tall?
The legs are really
She's like really long-legged or something.
Like stilts and that.
Like the stilts, the circus show stuff.
Got this one right here.
What's this in order to...
Oh, Shane, you can stop your timer on your stopwatch for the 5-minute countdown. We have made it. We are here, my friend.
We're catching out the way back.
Hey!
Got one way.
I was a bit late. Oh. Trapeza. I told Shane it would be less than 5 minutes. We had a bet. I win. The slide, I can go on a slide. Ooh. Look, tiger. Nice.
Yep. We're at table 4.
Anyhow. Oh, Michelle, look. Let the party begin. Or begin. Oh, this is beautiful. Perfect. Thank you.
I'll order from there. Yep.
Thank you.
So, alcohol is not cheap on Sentosa Island anywhere. But seriously, 2 tiger beers for 12 bucks. Siloso Beach Resort. Yeah, that is cheap. The last place was 300ml tiger beer for 15 bucks. April? Not Spotto, but it's a double, so that counts.
So not a car?
It doesn't matter. It's a people mover.
No.
Yeah.
It's the same as a van. It's a people mover, but it's still not
Here
a
we
car.
Well, maybe we can ride that. But you don't get tickets. Come here.
Majority of the wall was missing.
Oh, wave to everybody. No one's waving back. Come on. No, no waving. Yay!
You're a weirdo.
Bikini Bar, chicken tikka. I can handle some hot food, but the sauce, don't dodge it. Take the sauce, have it. It's freaking hot, like really hot. Table for one, sir. Table for one. Nice. Table for one back there. Oh, thank you, door girl. Bloke's got the door. Yeah, that was good. Racer. How was tea, guys? Good. I enjoyed mine. Might have been a little bit hot.
Are you talking to us or the camera now, Scott?
Talking to everybody.
And the camera as well?
Yep. Everything on my back.
You doing it?
Oh yeah, this is good fun.
Like it, Trace? Yeah. You like it though?
Ah, look, Michelle, gelati. Okay, we'll keep going. I'll be back. I promise. Wow, Sandbar's not open tonight. Did they not know I was coming?
again. Trip again.
What should be closed? Oh, shut up, Shane. Oh no. Well, we are not bringing on the disappointments.
Are we?
Would anybody like to watch the Wings of Time tonight?
Where do we go?
Oh man. Alright, well, lesson learned.
Are you together?
Yeah, well, that's questionable. I mean, if they're being nice, yes, otherwise no.
I'm not with them.
He's decided, no.